everybody, it's Katrina. We are out here. It is day 5. God is good, y'all. This is everything I have left for Valentine's Day. So hopefully I will get rid of all of this between now and Wednesday. This is day 5, and before I could get the table set up, someone came and made a purchase. So he wanted to get his first. I got my grandson sitting back there with me till everybody comes back. It was raining earlier. It is not now. As you can see, I have my tarp down to protect my items. It is a little cloudy out there, but this little strip mall is on the busy side right now. On the not so busy side right now. But there is a lot of traffic in and out, and people will be filling into that restaurant late in a little while. Main road out here is kind of busy. So we are at it again. This is day 5. I made my last Valentine's baskets this morning, so I'm able to get those out here as well. And I think we made 10 more this morning, my daughter and I. So thank y'all for tuning in. This is day 5, and I'll let you know how it goes. Bye-bye.